In this video, we're going to graph a parabola from an equation given in general form. So let's graph the following parabola by moving the vertex and an endpoint of the lattice rectum. They give you, I have the graph already drawn correctly here. All I'm going to do is find the vertex and the lattice rectum endpoints to show you that this is the graph that would be created. To do that, I want to notice that I have x squared in the equation. That means we're going to try to get this standard form piece, which is x minus h squared equals 4p y minus k. To do that, I'm going to have to complete the square. And to start that, I'm going to move the 4y over by subtracting and the 4 over by subtracting. So I get x squared minus 8x is equal to negative 4y minus 4. And then I'm going to complete the square. So I'm going to divide the b term, negative 8, by 2 and square it. That's negative 4 squared, which is 16. So I get x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to negative 4y minus 4 plus 16, because I got to add the 16 to both sides. When I factor this piece, I get x minus 4 squared is equal to negative 4 and 16 is 12, so I get negative 4y plus 12. Then let's factor a negative 4 out, and I get x minus 4 squared is equal to negative 4 y minus 3. So I have this now in standard form, and I can say that my h value is going to be this positive 4, my k value is going to equal this positive 3, and negative 4 is going to equal, negative 4 would equal 4p. So this tells me the vertex is 4, 3, because the vertex is h, k. And that my p-value, if I divide this by negative 4, or by 4 on each side, my p-value would be negative 1 equals p. So once I know my p-value, I can then find my lattice rectum equation. So lattice rectum is going to be y equals k, which is 3, minus 1, so I get y equals 2. So my lattice rectum equation is a horizontal line at y equals 2, so we go up 1, 2, and draw this line right here. Once I have that equation, I can go ahead and find those endpoints by taking the y value and plugging it into the original equation that I had right here. So I have x minus 4 squared is equal to negative 4 times 4 plus 12. We get x minus 4 squared is equal to I should not have plugged in 4. That should be 2. Y is equal to 2. So this is 2 here, not 4. That gives you negative 8 plus 12. So I get x minus 4 squared is equal to 4. Square root each side, I get x minus 4 is equal to plus minus square root of 4 is 2. So then we're going to add the 4 over. We get x is equal to 4 plus and minus 2. So my endpoints for the lattice rectum would be 4 plus 2, which is 6, comma, the y value, which is 2, and then 4 minus 2, which is 2, comma, the y value, which is 2. So if I go to 2, 2, 2, 2, I'd have one of the endpoints for the lattice rectum. And if I go to 6, 2, I have the other endpoint for the lattice rectum. And now I have the vertex and those 2 points, and I can graph the parabola.